All right, good day, friends. I'm always excited to come around us and talk to you on the ICAN case study. For some of us that are just joining us for the first time, my name is Deji, and we've been talking about case study, and I'll be the one to be taking us on case study for this diet. Please, for the purpose of complete comprehension, please, you will need to go through our previous lectures, videos that we have done. And for some of us that have been following, please let's try and like, refer people, share so that we'll have a good view on the social media so that more people will benefit from it. And also, if you have any question on what we have taught before or the ones we are about to teach today, please feel free to talk to us. We are always available for your use when it comes to case study, ICAN case study. So straight away, we are going to talk about tonight's lecture. We're talking about financial data analysis. That's what we're talking about. Financial data analysis. Okay, financial data analysis is the identification and analysis of any financial data necessary to evaluate a financial issue in order to reach a decision. Now, this might sound like big English or big sentence, or I will try and break it down. Now, financial data analysis is the ability to understand, to evaluate, and analyze the information contained in a request. The information contained in a request concerning the financial data of an entity. I hope you're following. Is the ability to understand. In other words, you must understand it. Secondly, you must be able to evaluate it. Then you now analyze it. You understand it. You must now analyze the information contained in the financial data of a business entity. That's financial data analysis. Now, there are processes. The process of financial data analysis involve the following. Okay, number one, you use the appropriate analytical tools for the task identified. Now, listen, using appropriate analytical tools for the task identified. The word appropriate is very sacrosanct. The word appropriate means whenever you, like I said in one of our videos earlier, whenever you're supposed to use ratio analysis, please do not use maybe answer of analysis, answer of theory, or anything. You know, some of these tools, they are meant for different uses and different applications, and they all have different interpretations. So financial data analysis involves, number one, you must be able to use the right analytical tool. ICAN must have ICAN has equipped us to know different types of tools through other courses that we've been studying before. You understand it? Other courses that we've been studying, it's now assumed that you're a professional. We have we have equipped you. We have made you. We have taught you what you needed to know for you to use the right tool, to analyze data for us. Number two is performing accurate calculations and analyzing the result with appropriate clear explanations. Now, you use the accurate or you perform accurate calculations and analysis, and you now apply the result to give us the judgment that you are proposing to us. Okay, the next one is evaluating all assumptions, flexing the numbers given, and performing sensitivity analysis. You have to evaluate all assumptions. In financial data analysis, you must be able to evaluate, you must be able to weigh, evaluate, you weigh it, you examine it, a critical examination of whatever you're being given, whatever data that you're being given, and the result you generated, and how you're not going to recommend to us, how you're going to tell us what assumptions you are proposing. You understand it? All right. The very last one is interpretation of results and reconciliation to reach a conclusion which forms the basis of recommendation. Now you see this interpretation, like like I usually say, friends, you must be able to interpret. Now, most students' challenge lies in this area. It's somehow not as difficult to compute. It's somehow not as difficult to compute some of these data and all that, say write your what's it called statement of financial position. You already know how to do it. Compute the ratio analysis for this and this. You already know how to do it. But your ability now to interpret it to us, or interpret to the audience that is listening to you, is where your mark lies when it comes to ICAN case study. I hope you're following. When it comes to ICAN case study, your ability to interpret it to us, interpretation is the key when it comes to writing ICAN case study exam. Interpretation is very key. Okay, I think with these few points of mine, I hope I've been able to pass across to you the necessary tools you need to understand, or the requirement for analyzing financial data when it comes to uh, ICAN case study exam. When it comes to writing ICAN case study exam. Let's stop here for now. And I hope to see you in my next class. Please, if you have any question, feel free to talk to us. Like I said, feel free to talk to us. Our link is there. My name is Deji, and I will see you in the next class. Thank you.